If you're experiencing login issues with Robinhood Gold, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. If the app is still not functioning properly, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device settings, find the Robinhood app, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or identify if there are any ongoing issues with the platform. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Robinhood Gold. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.